No, 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 no. Original. Yeah. Original bad man. Just say no, 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 no. Just say original bad man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be starting up by moisturizing my hair. My hair is freshly washed and I'm using the black Jamaica castor oil to do that. To detangle my hair, I'm using this white tooth comb to do so. And yeah, you guys, I just finished washing my hair. Like I said before, like my hair is freshly washed and the hair isn't that dry. So now I just went ahead and part my hair, though the parting is not that straight. And we're gonna be doing kind of a simple hairstyle, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and be applying my gel to the back of my hair. As you can see, I separated my hair into two sections, like 3 sections, but we're actually going for like 2 sections, something like that. And I'm using the Eco Styler gel to do so. Okay. So I'm taking this brush to kind of brush my hair together and make sure everything is just nice and smooth. After which I'm going to be taking the rubber band and tying my hair down. So now coming to the front of my hair, I'm just going to be doing two little boss braid by the side of my hair. Like I just want to kind of use this to kind of spice up this whole look. But before then, I'm going to go ahead and apply gel on my hair first before doing those braids, you guys. But in case you're doing this and your hair is feeling dry, you want to make sure you go ahead and spray a little water. But mine, I did not spray any water because I just get out of the shower and my hair is still quite wet. And so applying this hair, if your hair is long enough, you can just go ahead and put your hair in a bun and just apply the hair. But if your hair is short as mine, you want to make sure you apply gel sessions by sessions. That way your hair is going to lay flat and the result is going to just come out nice and smooth. All right. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, like you'll see my channel for the very first time, I want you to use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel. Hit on that red subscribe button, turn on all post notifications to get notified whenever I upload a video. So here now I'm just going to grab a hair scrunchie and tie down my hair. So I also went ahead and create some baby hair, you guys. So after this, I'm just going to take my hair scarf and tie down my hair and allow it to dry for some time before moving on to the next step. So it's been an hour or so since I tied down my hair. I used the opportunity to do my makeup off camera, so I'm just going to take out this hair scarf and braid the side of my hair. So I'm using this Afro Kinky braiding hair to do that. I'm just going to section out a little piece of that braiding hair and use it to braid the side of my hair. So it'll be 1 hour 30 minutes since I tied down my hair. Look at how lit that head look, you guys. So now I'm just going to take down this my twist and use my olive oil edge control to keep that hair in place and then start braiding. So you guys, if you want your hair to lay even more than this, you can go ahead and apply the gel like session by sessions like I told you before, and then allow the hair to dry overnight. But just because I'm in a hurry, I'm not going to be doing that today. I only allow my hair dry for about 1 hour 30 minutes. So after braiding this hair, I'm just going to go ahead and twist the end. Just because I do not have that bead needle to use, I'm going to twist the end and then put on my beads just like so.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see.
So after putting on the bead, I went ahead and tied the end of my braiding hair. Like this is an Afro Kinky braid. It is not going to unravel. So I'm just going to grab a scissors and cut out the excess braiding hair. All right.
From the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go.
So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and put on my eye puff. So you guys, these 2 puff I'm using today's video, I got them on AliExpress sometime last year May. So it's almost like it's a year now that I got this 2 puff. You guys, I've been using one of them, the other one I haven't really used it before now. So you guys, these puff are so cute and they are so super affordable. I purchased this with my money, and they are amazing, you guys. So it does have 2 combs on the inside and a drawstring. So you want to make sure you go ahead and attach the combs to your hair for extra security, and then draw the strings and wrap it around your hair. You can go ahead and use a bobby pin to secure the strings. Like that is just all, you guys. This is so cute. So I'm still going to do the same thing at the front, and that will be all for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, you guys. Share this video with friends, and till next time, I will see you all. Always stay beautiful, and bye for now. I love you guys so much. Bye.
No, 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 no.
Original.
Yeah.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
The place of the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
The place of the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The place of the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright.